Hi friends, Namaskar dosto, welcome back to my cooking vlog. Today we are making one of South India's most iconic dishes, the crispy golden masala dosa. Let's dive right in. First of all, we'll prepare the filling. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan or kadai. Add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add some curry leaves. Just toss in some green chilies. Grate half-inch ginger. Fry all the ingredients together until they release a nice aroma. Here I am adding 2 sliced onions. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onions. Saute well till the onions turn translucent in color. The onions have turned translucent as you can see. And now here I am adding asafoetida or hing because it aids in digestion as well. Saute for few seconds more. Here I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder for that bright yellow color. Saute for few seconds more. And here I have boiled some potatoes, 6 to 7 in number. Just crush them roughly and add in. That will do. And later just mix all the ingredients together. And here I would like to request all my followers on Facebook and my viewers from YouTube, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to do it as soon as possible. And my friends who watch my videos on Facebook, if you haven't followed my Facebook page yet, I would request you to do the same. Thank you for your love and support. Here I am adding some Kashmiri red chili powder, amchur powder. If you don't have amchur powder, you can add lemon juice at the end. Then I have added salt to taste. I have added almost all the ingredients here and just will saute the filling for few more seconds and the filling is ready. Just allow it to cool down before stuffing the masala dosa with this mixture, and the stuffing looks too yum and too delicious. Now let's heat a non-stick pan or an iron tawa. We need to season the tawa with some oil and let us sprinkle some water and just wipe away with a clean cloth. Now pour a ladle full of batter and spread it in a circular motion. For the batter, you need to soak in 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of urad dal separately for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight. You can also add a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds to the dal for extra flavor and fermentation. Later, grind both to a smooth batter, mix them together and ferment overnight. As you can see, the dosa has turned golden and crispy, and I have placed the potato masala in the center. Just now fold the dosa and serve hot, and just repeat the process once again. Pour a ladle full of batter and just with a twist of your hands just spread it in a circular motion and drizzle a little oil or ghee around the edges, and once it turns crisp just add the filling, and here just serve the masala dosa with coconut chutney, and if you wish you can also prepare sambar as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching.